Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I am working on my Yaris 2003 T Sport. It's my car here, and what I'm doing is I am getting rid of all the crap from underneath and I'm going to underseal it. So I've already scraped a lot of stuff. It is pretty manky in certain places. Tools I'm using are wire brushes, hammers, glasses, airline, all the stuff that I've blown away already. And then I'm going to be spraying it with Stone Chip Shield. This helped as well. Did find a small hole right underneath the boot bit, and I put a bit of duct tape on it. Apparently Mark said that they did this from factory. So I've cleaned all this. I'm not getting it back to bare metal, but I'm just cleaning it enough so all the loose shit's off, and then I'm just going to spray it all underneath. And you can see like the loose bits of bloody, it all went in my face. It's a horrible job.
They do that from factory when there's a rot hole in the boot.
When do they do it?
When there's a hole that doesn't need to be open, they just put a little bit of tape over it and then spray the bodywork.
There you go, guys.
So that is a bodge, but it's a harmless bodge.
Yeah. Pretty manky under there. It is, but it
won't fail an MOT.
It is what it is, man. It's had new fuel pipes at some point, but the front of the vehicle is not too bad. It's just the rear. But like I say, I'm going to clean it all up and give it a spray, and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to start from here and then work my way back. I've never used this stuff before, but oh, stinky. Hello!
That smells nice. Hello, son. Alright, mate, you alright?
It's hard to bloody get the angles.
Yeah, 370 quid I make that. After the gas, the wire.
Try and get back a bit. Okay.
Shall I say nothing?
I don't know why I'm starting with this bit, but I am.
Much later.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is done. It's looking good. There are a few tiny bits like here where you can kind of see it through. But look at that. Good as new. All up here. Give it a few years, isn't it? Oh, there is a bit there that I missed. You see it? There. I'll just spray that a little bit. It don't matter, it's just a preventative anyway. So it was a lot worse. I've scraped a lot of crap off it. Up here. She's good. And this is Stone Chip Shield. Don't breathe it in, it does f your chest up. Overspray all over my phone, so I'm gonna have to clean that as well. If you want to give years to your car, spray it on. There's some shit in there as well that I didn't do. Look, I think I did that side a bit more. Yeah, it don't have to be perfect, does it? It's just a preventative protection.